All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I'm going to be opening it up and checking out the 7-in-1 impact flip socket with the handle. Here's the model number right here, the 32900. Here's all the different bits: 1/4 inch, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, half an inch impact rated for the drill shaft right there. And then here are some more features here on the back. It says quick connect, 3-in-1 right here with the deep position, shallow position, and the 5/16 nut driver. So hopefully all of them work as nut drivers, but we'll see here real quick, or if it just works as sockets. So I'm not sure if the bigger ones will work as sockets, but we're gonna check it out real quick. I'm gonna open it up and let's get to it. All right, so we got the handle right there. Feels really nice. It doesn't say made in USA, so probably not sure. Anyways, let's get out the socket thingy real quick. All right, so here we go. Got that out of there. Everything seems solid in place. That's nice. I love the 7-in-1 on the back as always with the detailed description. Just says Klein Tools 32900. That feels actually really nice. So that is what it looks like right there if you're putting it together. And actually not sure how to release this. That might be a good idea to learn. Darn, I can't do this. While I'm trying to figure out how to get this back out, it does feel really solid, which I'm happy about. As you can see, we got the magnets in the 1/4 inch right there. And then you just pull that apart, and it is pretty strong to hold that socket. I'm trying to get it back through though. So there's that. There's the 5/16 flipped over, and it says there's a deep mode and a shallow mode, so I'll have to figure that one out. Maybe that's just like, no, maybe not. Anyways, there's one of the modes. I'm not sure how to do the shallow or the not shallow, and I guess there is little springs around here. I did not notice that before, but there are springs, little springs between each one of these. I'm not sure if I can just pull these down. It kind of looks like you can't pull them down. I think you have to take the whole thing off and then switch them around, which is possibly annoying, but it would be nice if you could just pull them down and then put them back on from the front, but it is what it is. So I thought that one was kind of stable, maybe not. All right, so I have to figure out how to get this off real quick. All right, so I got it apart, and I guess I might have to work this in, maybe oil it up a little bit. But anyways, let me show you how this works. So I guess you can push it in, and it's pretty solid, and you have a little amount of room to push it down further to be able to pull it back out. So that would probably be better if it had a little bit more room, because it is actually quite difficult to get it apart. But I think there's two different positions down here. Like one position is actually like really loose like this. So if you don't put it in all the way, it's kind of crappy. So you have to put it down all the way, and then it locks into place. And then it's getting a little bit easier to take off now that I've done it a couple times, but I think you have to take these apart backwards, I believe, which I still haven't figured out. But you take these off backwards like that, and then you're gonna do the same thing on this one, and you just have the shaft. So let's say I just wanted to use the 7/16, then I would do it from normal from the front, just like that, nut driver or impact socket, however you want to call it, whatever you're going to use it for. And so you're basically just going to put everything in from the front. That is the shallow one. I don't think I can go down any further, so I don't know. I'm not sure how to use on the back of the box it says there is a deep position and the shallow position. I'm not sure how to set that one up yet, but it does look like the deep position is not pushed in all the way, and then the shallow one is pushed in all the way. So I think that is referring to, like, this is a deep position right here, not pushed in all the way, but then it could fall right off, so I'm not sure. And then once you push it down, it is in the shallow position. So let's try out the last one here real quick. So that is going to be your 11/32. This one is going to be your 3/8. So everything works so far, except I'm not sure how to figure out, like I said, the shallow and deep position. Other than that, I do think it feels really nice. The handle feels great. I do not quite like this little mabobber right here. I wish there was a little bit more room once you have all the sockets on there, but maybe it is getting worked into position. So once again, put that one on from the front and the other two go on from the back. Kind of nice rainbow right here, red, yellow, green, blue. And then trying to get this last one back on is a little bit more difficult. So they each kind of have a little position that they lock into, but this one is a little, doesn't seem like that one locks in all the way. So once again, you have to like pull down on this, like, which is really tough. So that's the one thing I would say that I don't like so far is that. So like this is like loose right here if you don't push it down all the way. But then just trying to get it off right here is like really hard because there's barely any gap right there. So it helps to use both your hands or both your fingers. So anyways, I will give it a shot at work when I need it. But so far it looks pretty promising. Like I said, the only thing I don't really like is this quick release right there. Other than that, it feels pretty nice, and I can't wait to use it. So those are some quick thoughts, unboxing, review, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to stick this in the tool bag and give it a rip when I am ready to. So anyways, or when I need it. But anyways, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. I'm going to show the guy at work because he seemed excited to check it out as well. Anyways, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe.